Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why is Google Photos taking so long to backup? Firstly, I recommend to check your Wi-Fi and mobile data speed. Maybe you have just slow internet. Also, I recommend to open Google Photos. Then tap at the profile icon. So firstly, make sure that you use your correct account, and also you can go to Google Photos settings, backup, and enable backup here, and check backup account. So maybe you just select another account, and you can change it by just tap at your account. Also, when you click at the profile icon, right here we have account storage, so check if you have enough of space. You share so for free you have 15 gigabytes, and you share this space with Google Drive and Gmail. So maybe you need to remove something. You can click manage storage and then remove something from Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos, free up space. Also, I recommend to go to the App Store or Play Store, then write Photos in the search and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Also, I recommend to keep the application opened until this update finished. And the last one, we can also restart the application. Sometimes it helps you. Just reopen it. And maybe you need to also restart your device. I use Google Photos with my phone, so I should restart my phone. If you use it with a tablet, or start your tablet. Maybe this one fixes your problem. Also, let's move to Android, and I will show you two more options what you can do. And the first one is to clear the cache. So go to the settings. Then you need to enter into the apps. I have it at the beginning. You may have it at the bottom or at the middle, but also you can use the search and write apps here. After that, you need to find Google Photos. I already have it here. So click on it if you see them also, see this application, or click see all. Or scroll down, and you need to find Google Photos, or you can use the search and write Photos here. So go to the storage and cache and click clear cache. After that, I recommend it to return to the settings and then move to the battery. In the battery we have battery saver. Tap at this line and make sure that you disable this mod. You may have this connection instability with battery saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.